Yeah, this time let's try to do something more a bit complex, and I'm going to create an array, and this array I'm going to list the I mean create a list of arrays, and I'll just reverse those lists within the array. So let's create a class, and this class is going to be ex 48. Take the main method, then finish. And what I'm going to do here, let me create the list, and this time I will use the other way of creating my list. Let's say my list, and I'll make it an array, and I will say equal to, just assign array directly as a column, and I'll start maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, maybe 1, let's say, don't care. So here we have the list. Now let me remove this one so that it will become more clear. So at the end of the day, what I want to do, I want to print these numbers in a reverse way, because now I start from 1 to 9. So I want to print this number from 9 to 1. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a method, because we have done this before. So you create a method. Let's say the method is going to be reverse, and then I will say reverse my list. It's an array, okay, and then close it. In this method, let's see here, this is complaining. Because this method has to be within so I'm going to create this method. Now I'm just calling it here on the main method. So now I'll try to create this method, and I'm going to say public static int, and if you have noticed, this method, it is the first method I've written that is going to return the type array of int type. See, so it's reverse, and the argument is going to be int list. You see, so what do I want to do is, even before writing this method, let me try to do something here. I'm going to loop, and I'm going to say, okay, int I equal to 0, and then I less than my list dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then here you can just do like this, maybe sea salt. Let me print, and I'm going to pass in string builder, and I'll pass string dot value of my list, which is not this is my list array, and then I'll append to space. I just need the space here. Dot, no, not that, dot append this space, and then dot to string. See, so let me now do this method here, this function I was creating here. I'm going to int I is equal to 0, and then let's loop again within this int j, because I've used I, list dot length, and then I'm going to -1, and this is how I'm going to reverse -1 and I less than list dot length, and then divided by 2, and then j minus. So I'm using I here to check this, and then divide by 2. So here I'm going to create a temp int temporary list, which is going to hold list I, and then list I we assign to list j. Okay, and then list j we give it back to temp. We assign this to temp. It's just like way of replacing, giving with temp is used to hold, just like a holder, it's holding, so that you take something from list I, then temp is holding for you, then you pick something from j, then you give to j to you give to I, and then you pick from temp, you give to I. So it's like kind of we are swapping, so, and here I plus plus, okay, and then we return the list. This is a little bit more complex, but the more you practice, the more you understand what I'm doing. So you see, my array was this one, and this is the reverse of this. So try to take your time and try to see what I've been doing here. If you can understand this, then you have made, so far, you are getting better and better. Thank you guys, and remember to